Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or turn off voice isolation on iPhone iOS 18. So if you want to add voice isolation on your iPhone iOS 18, then here's a quick one for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or turn off voice isolation on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. On the accessibility page, scroll down, locate and click on audio and visual. Once you selected audio and visual, scroll down until you see add voice isolation and turn this on. Now once that is on, that's going to turn on voice isolation on your iPhone. If you choose to disable it, that's going to turn off voice isolation on your iPhone. However, so let's say you have an outgoing call on your iPhone and I want to use voice isolation. Once you put the call through or you have an incoming call and then you pick up the call, the next thing you want to do to use voice isolation is swipe down the control center, locate and click on the full control button, then you should see voice isolation pops. If this is set to automatic, just go ahead and select voice isolation and then you're good. So that's exactly how to turn on or turn off voice isolation on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.